Silikali Niyaongelanga Kithito Itambyani ya Kuukitana na Ulusani Itina Musumbi Dr. Ruto Kwikia Saii Mutalatala wa Conflict of Interest Bill Kutwika Mwiao Aineena Ivindani ya Kwikia Saii Mutalatala wa Musumbi Easya kana Mwiao Niutetheesya Kuikiithya Kana Ivilani Mainatumia Utonyi wona na Kuikiithya kana mali ya Mweennethi Yatumika Undu Vailite lina musangi
Musumbi onene Itina Kwikia Saii Mutalatala wa Kuukitana na Ulusani Kutwika Mwiao kwisuo nuwetie mbongezo nzisa serikali tasemu Stalin wambe Kuukitana na Ulusani na mwana ofisini ma serikali.
This is a very momentous occasion for Kenya, that after the passage of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Law several years ago, today we are stepping up the fight against corruption by passing the Conflict of Interest Law that now gives power to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption to take charge of matters, wealth declaration for all public officers, now not just in the executive, but also in the legislature and in the judiciary, to also make it illegal for officers serving in positions, whether they are in the judiciary, the legislature, or in the executive, to abuse the authority they have in their offices and to undermine the rule of law and abuse the resources that the people of Kenya have put together.
Ruto weta kotulo kosa na suwa taukwitho utumika undu vaile weta vailo vikali kama mivukoni ya ene.
Every resource, every coin, every cent, every shilling that is paid as taxes by the people of Kenya or in any other manner is used only for the intended purpose, and that no such resources find their way into private pockets or private enterprises. And that is why this is a very consequential moment in Kenya, that we are stepping up the use of public resources in the right manner and making it that much more difficult for people to take advantage of the offices they occupy. It is also significant that Kenyans in their entirety can participate in making sure that we hold public officers to account for the exercise of the authority and power that they have.
Watawa weta takianda kia mevele kukonana na wasani wa koti na Kuukitana na Ulusani Kuikiithya kana Mwiao ni wati wa.
The social protection law now steps up our responsibility and provides a wider framework for us to attend to the vulnerable members of our society, to look after their interest, to make sure they get medication, to support them in various aspects, and to make sure also that only those who are vulnerable actually benefit from support from the people of Kenya through their government. So congratulations to the Minister responsible for social protection and your team. You now have a robust framework to undertake the responsibility that is assigned to your ministry. And to the Kenya Anti-Corruption Authority, you now have levers to make sure that you protect the resources of the Republic of Kenya and hold every officer to account.
Go report of Lingua Mauvo Nelina Musangi.